What's going on, guys? Right here we have the Holy Stone hs170, the Predator according to the box, and I'm very excited to be reviewing this drone today. So anyways, let's get right into the video. Alright, so I'm very excited to be doing this video today. With the drone you get the instruction manual as well as an extra set of propellers and a little tool right there that is used to take off your propellers. So let's say if I were to crash it and somehow damage the propellers, I would use that little tool to pull the propellers off and change them out with a new set. But it's going to be pretty hard to damage your propellers with the included propeller guards that are already on this drone. You have your battery right here, and then you also have your controller right here. So this is a very basic and simple drone. It's a inside flyer, something to fly around in your house if you are bored. So I'm just going to give you the specs for this drone, and we're going to take this up and we're going to see how this actually performs in the air and see if it flies good and if it's worth your money. So I'm going to put the specs for you to look at on the screen right now, and let's get right into it. Okay, so here's how it flies. Flies pretty smoothly. Alright guys, I'd just like to interject myself here. Just so you know, the controls are very responsive and it's very smooth operating this guy, and I actually have a lot of fun flying it. So very, very enjoyable flight, and I'm really, really liking this drone so far. The yaw speed. Alright, so I'm starting to develop my opinion on this drone, and really I think this drone would be perfect for somebody who wants to learn to know how to fly a drone but doesn't want to spend much money at all and just wants to get a little bit of practice in, and this would be the great practice drone to buy. Also, another thing that I really like about this drone is the lights on it. As you can see, they're flashing right now, so that means it's on low battery, but I still decided to take it outside and get a little bit of flight time in outside, and as you can see, I'm doing just fine because I can see where it is at all times. Alright guys, we hope you enjoyed our little flight demonstration of this Holy Stone hs175, and I guess it's time for my final opinions on this drone. And personally, for a first time drone or just something to fly around your house if you're bored or whatever you want, it's a pretty fun drone. I like flying it a lot, and it's very easy to fly. The controls are extremely responsive, and it's just a lot of fun. So yes, I would recommend getting this drone. Now obviously price is a big factor when it comes to purchasing really anything in this world, and you can see this new for about 50 bucks, and really I would not spend $50 on this drone because it is a toy and it is something just to fly around your house. But if you look hard enough, you could probably find this for as low as 30 bucks. The cheapest that I'll find, I will link in the description below, so I don't know what that is off the top of my head, but when I go searching through the internet for different links, I will leave the cheapest prices that I can find in the description below, so go and check that out for sure. If you're still here, I'd like to thank you for sticking around this far. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We make content like this and more, so go check out some of my other videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll hopefully see you in my next video. Have a great day.